Blow your balloon up all the way and tie it in a knot. Now give it a twist right in the middle. Now twist these two halves together all the way down. You want to try to give them as tight of a twist as you can. Now twist the two ends together and tuck one inside to lock it in place. Now give it a twist and a squeeze. Bend it, give it a little massage to give it its shape. And then get a second balloon and tie it to the end. Now wrap the other end around the other end of the bow and tuck the end in place. And there you have your bow. For the arrow, we're going to blow it up with, about a little over halfway. I'm going to tie it, and we'll make two small bubbles on the end after we straighten it out. Now fold these in half and using the tip of the balloon, twist it and tuck that in between those two bubbles to lock it. And we're going to do a pinch twist, so we're going to pinch those and twist those two bubbles there at the end. And that makes your arrow. And there you go, you have your bow and arrow. Happy twisting. Thanks for watching.